Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Elementor widgets for conversion-focused landing pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Elementor page builder. Select the page you want to edit or create a new landing page. Once the Elementor interface is open, locate the panel on the left side. Scroll down to find the available widgets for your landing page. Choose widgets that are ideal for conversion, such as forms, call-to-action buttons, and testimonials. Drag and drop the selected widget onto your page where you want it to appear. Click on the widget to access its settings in the left panel. Customize the content to match your conversion goals. For forms, add the necessary fields and adjust the settings for notifications. In the call-to-action button, modify the text to be compelling and directive. Adjust the design settings to align with your branding. Utilize the Advanced tab to add animations or custom CSS if needed. Preview your changes to see how each widget appears on the landing page. Make adjustments based on the preview to enhance user experience. After finalizing your design, click the Publish button to make your page live. Test each widget to ensure they function correctly on various devices. Monitor analytics to assess the performance of your conversion-focused elements. Continuously optimize the page based on user feedback and conversion data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.